Look at this sentence. Aujourd'hui, on lave son linge dans la machine à laver. Aujourd'hui, on lave son linge dans la machine à laver. Today, we wash our clothes in the washing machine. Avant, on lavait son linge à la main. Avant, on lavait son linge à la main. Before, we used to wash our dirty laundry with our hands. Now, used to in French is called the imparfait. We use the imparfait to talk about something you used to do or to make descriptions. Another example, avant, les femmes ne portaient pas de pantalon. Avant, les femmes ne portaient pas de pantalon. Before, women didn't used to wear trousers. The porter here is in its imparfait. Another example before you learn how to conjugate it and how to use it. Avant, before, avant, les Français travaillaient 45 heures par semaine. Avant, les Français travaillaient 45 heures par semaine. Before, French people used to work 45 hours per week. Mais aujourd'hui, les Français travaillent 35 heures par semaine. You can see that. Now, travailler, porter, in the examples I gave are in the imparfait. It's used to talk about what you used to do. So if I say, je travaillais, I used to work. Okay? Je travaillais à la banque. I used to work in a bank. J'avais une télévision. I used to have a television. Okay? J'étais petit. I was small. So the imperfect is used to talk about something you used to do in the past. And how do you form it? It's very simple. The first thing you need to do is to conjugate the verb in present tense. Okay? And go to the new form. That's the only thing we need. The new form of the present tense. Okay? When you get to the new form, now remove the ONS at the end of the verb, still in present tense. Now what is left is what we need for imparfait. And that's simple. Okay? So first, you conjugate in present tense. You go to the new form. You remove the ONS. When you remove the ONS, what is left? Then you add the imperfect endings to it. It's as simple. So what is left is your root. That's what you will use as your base before you add the respective endings. So for je, we add AIS. So let's take the verb laver, for example. I said, avant, on lavait son linge à la main. Before we used to wash our laundry with our hands. Aujourd'hui, on lave son linge dans la machine à laver. So if I say lave, I conjugate lave in present tense. So je lave, tu laves, and then when I get to the new form, it's nous lavons. We wash. Then I remove the ONS. Then what is left is LAV, lave. Then I bring that LAV, that's what I need, put it as my base, and then I add my imperfect endings. So for je, it's AIS. Je lavais. I used to wash. Tu lavais. You used to wash. Il lavait. AIT. He used to wash. Yes. Elle lavait. She used to. On lavait. You can see where we got that on lavait from. On lavait. We used to wash. Nous lavions. We used to wash. Vous laviez. You used to wash. And then, il lavait. Elle lavait. It's as simple as that. Let's take the verb habiter. Okay, I used to live. Okay, so first we conjugate habiter in present tense, and then we take out the new form. We remove the ONS. This is what is left, and then we add our respective endings. So for you, j'habitais à Paris. I used to live in Paris. Okay, tu habitais à Lyon. You used to live in Lyon. Il habitait elle habitait, on habitait, nous habitions. Don't forget it's I-O-N-S. For nous, vous habitiez, I-E-Z. Okay? Then, ils habitaient, elles habitaient. Okay? A-I-E-N-T. For the third person plural. Okay, so ils habitaient à Lyon. They used to live in Lyon. Nous habitions à Toulouse. We used to live in Toulouse. Let's take the verb faire. Okay, so for faire, we're going to go to the new form. For new form, we have nous faisons. And then we remove the ONS. We're left with FAIS. Okay, so je faisais, and it's pronounced E, not faisais. Okay, je faisais, I used to. I used to do, je faisais la cuisine quand j'étais petit. I used to cook when I was little. Je faisais. For tu, tu faisais. Il faisait, elle faisait, on faisait, AIT. For nous, nous faisions, IONS. Okay, nous faisions. For vous, vous faisiez, okay, IZ. And then il ou elle plural, il faisait, elle faisait. They used to do. Simply for the verb, let's take the verb boire, to drink. If I want to say I used to drink coffee, first I conjugate boire in present tense. Then when I get to the new form, it's nous buvons. Nous buvons. I used to drink. Then I remove the NS. My base is BUV. Then je buvais. I used to drink. Tu buvais. Used to drink. Il buvait. AIT. Nous buvions. Vous buviez. Il buvait. Elle buvait. Okay? Just like this. Now, you do this for almost all the verbs, except for some irregular, like the verb être. Okay? For être, you don't go to the no form. And for être is était. Était. E and T. Before you now add your respective endings. Okay? So if I want to say, I used to be, or I was, I say j'étais. J'étais, I was, or I used to be. Tu étais, you were, you used to be. Il était, he was, he used to be. Elle était, on était. Nous étions, vous étiez. Ils étaient, elles étaient. So, j'étais there means I was, or I used to be. Tu étais, you were, you used to be. Il était, he was. Elle était, he was, she was, or she used to be. On était, we were, and the likes. All right, let's conjugate the last verb together, the verb aller, to go. So I want to say, I used to go. What's the first thing I do? Yes, I conjugate aller in present tense. Then when I conjugate in present tense, the only thing I need is the base for the new form. So I go to the new form and I remove the ONS. Then what is left is my base. And then I add it to my personal pronouns. And then I say, j'allais, I used to go. Okay? J'allais à l'église. I used to go to church. J'allais au parc. I used to go to the park. Tu allais. You used to go. Tu allais. Il allait. Elle allait. On allait. We used to go. Nous allions. We used to go. Vous alliez. You used to go. Ils allaient. Elles allaient. As simple as that.